Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'd like to share a few tips on what to consider when you purchase clothes for your capsule wardrobe, taking Sézane brand as an example. However, these tips are applicable to any other brands too, so make sure to watch till the end. If you've been following me for a while, you've noticed that there are a few Parisian brands that I keep wearing non-stop. For everything custom-made, sustainable and tailored, I turn to Dressart Paris, which is an online atelier. And the second brand is Sézane. For a small story, in fact, the founder of Sézane, Morgane Césalerie, was a big inspiration for me to launch my own business in Paris. And I remember being among the first clients who would come to try Sézane limited edition collections. And I'm so happy to see the brand become internationally successful these days. Quality basics form the foundation of my outfits, and it's one of the first things I would advise to invest if you build your capsule wardrobe. I have a few basic white t-shirts in my wardrobe from various brands. However, this one from Sézane is very unique to me. It has this beautiful lace trim, which makes this top feminine and elegant. I love mixing masculine and feminine styles, so this top is a great find for me. In fact, this one has been on a heavy rotation during the last few months. It's great for summer in the city, and I also took it on holidays. And since it's made of linen, it's breathable and so lovely to wear. What I like about Sézane is a great selection of various colorful items, which is very useful if you are building a colorful capsule wardrobe. The key when you buy a colorful item is to make sure it complements your skin undertone and that it's in line with your personal color palette. And if you want to know more how to find your unique color palette, make sure to check my previous video, and I will leave you guys a link here. So I always keep an eye on interesting design collaborations, and I think the way Sézane works with artists to create unique prints for the fabric is amazing. If you have an option to choose the fabric, I do encourage you to prioritize natural fibers instead of synthetic ones. For example, this shirt is made from organic cotton. Moreover, it's certified to guarantee the organic nature of textiles. And I feel that finding fabrics made from natural fibers is really challenging these days. For this reason, I do love having my clothes custom made, since I can choose the fabric and have the clothes made to my body measurements. And if you're petite, you must know for sure that it's almost a mission impossible to find clothes in the right color, in the right fabric that would fit perfectly. So I designed this pair of black pants with Dressart Paris completely online, which is very convenient. And I was offered a great variety of natural fabrics to choose from, so I definitely recommend you checking this online atelier if you're looking to have custom clothes. Consider your unique body shape and find the items that would flatter your unique body proportions and highlight the best in you. As an example, if you are petite, look for a V neckline or scoop neckline. These necklines lengthen the neck area, providing the illusion of more length on the body overall. Sézane knitwear designs are very creative, I think. It's not copy-paste, it feels that there is great work behind each model. And what I personally appreciate is the various composition of knitwear. I have a very sensitive skin, so wearing something that is itchy is definitely a no for me. And I found some very nice pieces made from cotton, which is a great option if you're looking for clothes that can be worn all year round. Invest in timeless styles. What I like about brands like Sézane is that it's not trend-driven. And you can find clothes that are timeless, like this polka dot dress that I invested in this summer. So make sure to invest in pieces that reflect your personal style and will serve you for years to come. And I hope you guys found these tips useful, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and it will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.